I got this box from one of our members who lives in Japan. To open the box, there's all these little pieces you need to move and adjust. It's a little puzzle. It's pretty fun. If you're just getting into Arduino and looking for a simple project to help hone your programming skills, then I think you might like building a sensor puzzle. The idea is simple. All you do is take a handful of components like potentiometers, temperature sensors, light-dependent resistors, or whatever you have laying around. Then you set up a couple simple circuits to read the inputs from those sensors. You throw in a couple output devices as well, like some LEDs or a piezo buzzer. Once you've got the circuit set up, now the fun coding challenge begins. What you need to do is design a puzzle that works something like this. If the user adjusts a sensor input in a specific value or range, then you do something, like you light up an LED or make a beep noise. What's great about these Arduino puzzle projects is that if you're a beginner, it is going to put you through the ropes of writing code that can control the flow of your program, learning really common Arduino functions, and building out more complex condition statements. So you can make the code super simple or as complex as you want. Now, I happen to have an Arduino shield sitting around that has 15 different circuits built into it. It's called a kit on a shield. So instead of breadboarding up my puzzle, I just use this shield for different circuits. Now, my puzzle requires that the user adjust the temperature sensor value, 2 different potentiometer values, and a light-dependent resistor. So right now, the puzzle is really easy. I just set target values for each of the sensor readings that would unlock a step of the puzzle. There's a total of 4 different steps that the user has to take to unlock the puzzle. Now, to solve each individual step, you just need to adjust the sensor by turning, like if you're turning the potentiometer, or you put your finger on the temperature sensor to warm it up, or by waving your hand or a flashlight over the light-dependent resistor circuit. And when you unlock one of the puzzle steps, it turns on an LED and sounds like this little beep noise from the piezo buzzer. And when you've done all 4 steps, then it plays a fun little ditty. I also have it set up so the Arduino sends information to the serial monitor so they kind of know where they've been with the sensor values. Now, if you want to learn to code stuff like this, make sure to check out this next video.